This is the story of the Three Little Pigs. Today we're going to be learning about the main characters, um, key aspects of the story, the setting, some of the main events, and a sequential order for the main events. So who are the main characters in the story? Well, there are five main characters in the story. There's the big bad wolf, little pig number 1, little pig number 2, and little pig number 3, who actually don't have a name. They're actually called they're the little pigs. And then there's Mama Pig. Mama Pig is not as big of a character as the other four, but she is talked about at the beginning and the end of the story. So the setting of the story takes place where it's centered around the three little pigs' houses and the wolf going from one house to the other. The key details of the story is there's only one wolf and there's three little pigs, and all the three little pigs make their house in a different way. The three little pigs are smart and clever along with the wolf, and they did all come from the same house originally. They all came from their mama's house. So the major events that happened in the story is, in the end, the wolf lost, and the pigs outsmarted the wolf by having the wolf fall into a pot of boiling water. The mother pig sent all three pigs out to make it on their own. Another major event that happened was the wolf tried to blow each little pig's house down. And then one pig made his house of straw, another pig made his house of sticks, and another made his house with bricks. The wolf was able to blow the straw and sticks house down, but not the brick house. The wolf ate the first two little pigs that made their house of straw and sticks. So those are the main events that happened in the story. And the last thing that we wanted to know how to do is put them in sequential order of how these events happened, how they happened throughout the story. So the first thing that happened was the mother pig sent all her baby pigs out on their own to make it on their own. The next, all the three pigs decided to make a house, one with straw, one with sticks, and one with bricks. The wolf came and he huffed and he puffed and he blew the houses down, and he was able to blow the house made of straw and the house made of sticks, and sadly those two little pigs got ate. But the little pig number 3 outsmarted the wolf by having but first he had the house made of bricks, but the main event is that the wolf fell down or went down the chimney and fell into a pot of boiling water. So in the end, the wolf lost. And that is the story of the Three Little Pigs.